Good morning, boys and girls. I just went for a walk down my street and I gathered a few things that I'm going to use from nature in loose parts to see what I can make. So let's show you what I found. I gathered some mini pine cones and I found some rocks, different kinds. And then I picked some dandelions that were in my yard. I have some sticks here, and this is a little branch off of my forsythia bush, which is blooming now. And I thought maybe we could do some fun things. If you take a look around your neighborhood or your yard and find some rocks, maybe some pine needles or some leaves, possibly some acorns, or whatever you can find. And I was going to see if you could, with the help maybe of your mom or dad, make your name. So here's my name, Miss Sue. And I used sticks on this, but you can use whatever you have. Some letters, like the S, was really tricky. I had to get a bigger stick and I had to break it into little pieces and form the shape, because it's a curvy letter instead of a straight line like the I or the M. So see if you can do that, make your name, and send us some pictures of what you have. Then I was thinking, what else can we do with all of these different items that we found? And I said, maybe I could make a little animal home. So I took some sticks and I kind of bunched them up into like a little pyramid, and then I put some pine cones around the edge, and then I left a little doorway for the animal to get in. And maybe I need to get some leaves for the top to make it a little bit more of a shelter, but maybe you could make an animal home for one of your Beanie Babies or a little toy that you have. And then I was thinking, what else can I do with all of these things? And I thought, you know what? Some boys and girls like to do patterning. So I did a pattern. First one I did was an A-B pattern. So it's a stick, a rock, a stick, a rock, a stick, a rock. What would come next? Stick, and then a rock. Good. How about this pattern? This is a trickier one. It's an ABC pattern. So I did dandelion, rock, pine cone. Dandelion, rock, pine cone. What would come next in my pattern? Put your thinking caps on. Look at the pattern. A, B, C. A, B, C. What would be here? A dandelion. Good, you got it. Then what comes after the dandelion in the pattern? Do you know? A rock. Good. Running out of room, move these over. And then what's the last thing in our pattern? Dandelion, rock, and pine cone. You got it. So that's an ABC pattern. And if you use two things to make a pattern, it's an A-B pattern. Good. See if you can have some fun finding some treasures in your yard and show us what you make. Hope you have a great day, and remember, get outside as much as you can. Bye-bye.